Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston, Texas. I'm aboard a 2023 Premier 23 Sunsation. This is a beautiful luxury pontoon with great performance due to the PTX 3-log system. The center log gives you great performance. It's shaped a lot like a high-performance boat hull. So it's a real unique system, and it gives you great performance, great rough water capabilities. Come check out the luxury of this boat. All right, we're going to start right here in the front where we have these wonderful loungers. And I'm standing on another good thing about the triple log boats, floor storage. You got tons of storage down below. This boat's got a real neat system. You don't think about this till you need it. It's got a trash can on each side here, and you're going to use that. Nice cabinet storage here. Check out the raised helm. That's important on a pontoon so you can see over your guests when you're operating the boat. This one's got the larger Simrad screen, digital controls, RGB lighting, great stereo system. You'll notice we've got dual bimini tops. Now, if the folks in the front want to get some sun, that top can operate independently, can be completely removed or taken down. Then we have a aft top that can be completely collapsed and out of the way, give you sun, and it'll fold in either direction. More storage under every seat, even a little glove box under here. We've got the rear facing loungers. Get you a table in here if you want it. Moving back, you'll notice we've got a center walkthrough. This is a real popular model for us, with the loungers facing each other and the walkthrough in the center. 250 Merc on the back. Great ski tow system. Look at this thing. You could even put some rod holders and flag holders and things on there if you want. Beautiful stainless steel ladder with great handrails. I like this little feature here. They've got these stainless steel drink holders in the back, but we also have this lift out system that gives you great storage underneath, but you still have a nice bottle holder. Beautiful flooring. This boat you've got to see to believe. It's just gorgeous. 17-person capacity. Extreme comfort, extreme great use. Anything you could do on this boat. Even have reclining loungers here. I'm Paul. Come see me here at MarineMax. This is just one of our many great boats.